Welcome to the Geek Divers tutorials. In this episode we'll see how to create a Nitrox price list item. We need to go to Financial, Price List and click on Default Price List. We also need to click on Add New Item. At this point we choose a type EAN and we give it a name, for example Nitrox Refill. We can also give an abbreviation and type a description. Here you can enter the price for one Nitrox tank, for example €4. And again, you can choose if you want to add VAT or not. You can also add packages. For example, we say 10. And we can add a price for the single tank or for the full package. For example, we can say that the full package costs €35. So automatically Geek Divers will calculate that each tank will be €3.50. You can set up as many packages as you like, and every time you select the EAN checkbox in a customer's card, in a trip, Geek Divers will add the charges in their bill. If you offer Nitrox for free, it makes sense that you set up this price list item with price 0. Every time you tick the checkbox EAN in a customer's card in a trip, this price list item with price 0 will be added to the customer's bill. When you print the bill or when you send it to the customer via email, he will see that he used a number of EAN tanks and you didn't charge them for that. Don't forget to save and you're redirected to the price list. Thank you for watching.